So yes, my people, I got the bird machine also, you know. Now I'll test it. I'll test it out right now about now. Yeah. So yes, my people, I got the bird machine right there, so I test it out, see what it can do. See what it can do, you understand? So now, yeah. Okay, me see one. Hold on. Can't video it, my people, so yes, my peeps. One down on the ground, cranium knockout. Cranium knockout, you know? Cranium knockout. Mad thing. You understand? So I go see if me get a couple more. And that's it. Yeah, I see if me get a couple more. So, me on the hunt. Machine turn up. Nice. So the machine a work, my peeps. Yeah, a ball plate. The machine a work. That is it. That is it. I got the next machine too, you know, so if that not work, this a work, you know. Yeah, and this a work. If that not work, this a work. Definitely. So, we not have no problem, we just want to see them. So yes, my peeps, me there wait. Do the waiting in game, you know? Cause it's not much where to go to hunt. So I'm just waiting cause them are feeding on one tree or so. I'm feeding on one tree. I'm feeding on one tree, that's how my peeps. Yeah, so me I do the waiting there, you know, see if any will come, but I don't feed already from morning, but I not really look much. 1, 2, and that's it. Just the thing me actually testing out because I know them.